Hello everyone, this is Asif. Today in this video we will learn how to collect the decision makers information by using Clay. To collect this data I will use Clay. It's a tools like Apple I/O, but by using this tool you can collect lots of data and you can automate your email campaign also by using Clay. So to get started we have to log in. So to get started we have to log in the Clay account, but if you don't have any Clay account I will put the link in the video description, then you can create your Clay account, then you have to log in. So once you are logged in you will come to this page, and I have already scrapped a database of 50 leads. If you want to know how to scrap this data, I have already created a video about this topic, like how to scrap the LinkedIn profiles by using Clay account. I will put it in the I button, you can check it from there, and then you can scrap the data. After scrapping the data you will got this page, and right now I have to enrich the file with our targeted email addresses of these profiles. So if you can see, we got imported profiles, company name, first name, last name, full name, job title and locations. Also we got company domain and LinkedIn profiles. So to collect the email addresses we have to click on add enrichment. So in add enrichment you will got lots of options, but we need the work mail of these prospects, that's why I will search for work email options. If you scroll below you will have personal email options and the work email options. I have to click on work email. Then you have to add a data point. There are lots of data point options, but we can go with work email. Find work email options, the first one. After that you have to choose a POSPO options, like as I don't have any personal API, that's why I will use the Clay POSPO options. Then I have to input some informations to collect the data. At first I will have to set up the inputs of full name. I will select the full name from here, like the data from the database it's collecting the full name, and then the company domain it's already added it. So now I have to click on save, and here are three options: save and run for 10 rows, then save and run for 50 rows, and then a option called save and don't run. But to show you I will go with first one. Now it's creating a column called find work email. Now these are all in queued. So it's done, as you can see it's already done. Now I have to click on to see this email or add this email in a new row. I have to click on first email, and then there are lots of information you can see: email domain, first name, last name and email status also, but I need only the email addresses. That's why if you hover over the email options you will see there is a option called add as column. So I have to click on it, and it asking for column name, and I will put it as email and create new column. So it will create a new column. Here you go, you can see it's created a new column, and it only found 2 emails from the 10 prospects. That's good, I think, because in this leads I think there is no email addresses, that's why it could not found the emails, but I'm okay with this informations. So if you have lots of credits you can go with the whole list, and if you run for 100 leads you will definitely got almost 50 emails. That's a good thing for free account, I think. So that's it, that was the video. If you think the video was helpful, feel free to like the video, and if you have any question feel free to comment below. Thanks.